Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to select the most effective keywords for your Google Ads campaigns, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. 1. What are keywords? They are terms or phrases users enter into Google. By choosing relevant keywords, your ads appear when those terms are searched. 2. Importance of good selection. Proper selection enhances your ad's visibility and increases the likelihood of attracting potential customers. 3. Using the Keyword Planner. Access the Keyword Planner in your Google Ads account. Enter terms related to your business to receive suggestions with search volume and competition data. 4. Match types. Broad. Your ads may appear in related searches. Phrase. Your ads show when the search includes the exact phrase. Exact. Your ads only appear in searches that exactly match your keyword. Negative. Exclude terms to prevent your ads from showing in irrelevant searches. 5. Practical tips. Relevance. Choose keywords directly related to your products or services. Search volume. Consider terms with good search volume to reach more users. Competition. Assess keyword competition and adjust your bids accordingly. By following these steps, you'll select keywords that enhance your Google Ads campaign's performance and attract your target audience. Este guion este diseñado para ser claro y directo, cumpliendo con el límite de 2,000 caracteres, y es adecuado para su uso en herramientas de conversión de texto a voz.